Push-ups are one of the most powerful exercises with maximum health benefits. It is an all-body exercise that can strengthen multiple muscle groups. According to Harvard Medical School, push-ups may reduce cardiovascular disease by 96%. Strojan introduces the world's first patent-pending push-up trainer, the Vsique. What makes the Vsique a true push-up trainer is its design for users of all ages and athletes of all levels. Users can comfortably perform modified push-ups on the floor, countertops, desks, or elevated surfaces anytime, anywhere. The Vsique's modified push-up techniques utilize progressive overload where users can target specific muscle groups by varying their feet distance, body angle, and hand placement, improving their flexibility and control while promoting muscle growth, strength, and core stability, while virtually eliminating wrist, lower back, and neck strain. The Vsique's small form factor makes it a true versatile push-up trainer that can be used on home countertops, office desks, company break rooms, during travel, at hotel rooms, beaches, or in public places, like parks. And when not in use, the Vsique can be used as a mobile device stand for viewing or recording. The possibilities with the Vsique are endless. Visit www.thevsique.com to learn more.